So thanks for giving me an opportunity to present my work over here. So I'm going to speak on the skip gram based grammar corrector using semantic and syntactic analyzer for Nepali language. So this is how I outlined my presentation. Abstract is discussed. Then what are the linguistic challenges in Nepali? That will be addressed over here, followed by some encoding embedding technique based on the graph theory. So that will be checked and discussed, followed by the grammar checker. So we have employed this embedding technique for checking out the grammar in Nepali language. And the corrector, once the error is found, then the corrector is based on the skip gram embedding. So this is how we composed the experiment. And here I am going to discuss the skip gram based grammar corrector. And as it is Nepali is a low resource full language, so we have manually gathered the erroneous sentences in Nepali with the help of linguistics. Nepali linguistics. He is a professor Krishna Mangar. She is a professor in North Bengal University, Nepali department. Okay, she has helped us in gathering this, collecting this database. Okay. So let us just look into the ambiguities of the grammar in Nepali. So here some sentences are mentioned. Timile bhanda ma gare kaam garchu means I work more than you. And the second sentence is also same. Timile bhanda ma gare means there is only the difference in the matra. Means matras means which is there on the upper part of the letter. Okay, so the meaning of this second sentence is entirely different. I work more when you say. Okay, so it highly depending upon single matra. So if there is any possibility that a user make a mistake in matra, then the entire meaning will be different. Entire meaning will be different. Okay, so this is how some sentences are kept for your visualization, so that the complexity of the language can be analyzed over here. Second sentence is Mele Batama Khelna Nani Harulai Deke. I saw playing children in the street. The similar statement will be there, which means that I saw children when I was. Okay, so only that means minor difference plays a very important or very big difference in the context. Now, second part is spelling error. Suppose there are I have collected two such examples. Mero ghar khali cha. Okay, so my house is empty. So there is means in Indian languages there is a vibhakti. Vibhakti means postposition. Yeah, in one side, if you see only left hand side of only, there is a letter is having one side vibhakti, or we can say postposition, and similarly means khali. Khali means is written in a different side also. So in the second empty, in second part, li means rasva is in the right side. Both have got entirely different meaning. Okay, if some user makes a mistake in just vibhakti, means postposition of the letter, it will have this wrong interpretation. So such are the very ambiguous things needs to be tackled and needs to be analyzed through grammar checker. Then the graph theory based, or we can say conceptual graph based parsing technique we have used, where we have categorized, or we have found out the we can say relationship among the words. Karta means what is subject, object, predicate, all such things, and even more than that, part of speech tagging. Based on this, we have developed embedding technique. So using this, we can embed the whole sentence. Okay, and here more than that, whether the noun is gender, what is the gender of the noun, feminine or masculine, or we can say whether the task is referring to the place or task is referring to the time. All such things we can extract information from the sentence. So based on this, this is, I think, may not be visible. We have we collect a data set of I think 120 numbers, 100 and some numbers already. I think the screen is dark. So using the above information, we can collect and get the embedding array vector like this. The sentence is I'm going to Bajar means I'm going to market. So that whole sentence is embedded in this way. Now we have used this for the grammar checker, and initially we have used the encoding technique, that is 1 hour encoding, and MLP has been implemented and 1.06 for the as far as the testing is concerned. Somehow that training accuracy is quite okay, but still it is less. But training testing is completely deteriorating. So 1 hot encoding is not that much efficient. So we have used the parsing encoding. Parsing encoding, just now I discussed this array, this kind of vector. We have used encoded form, and the sparse encoding we have given as an input, and few architectures, multi-layer perceptron, support vector machine, and LSTM are used to train the network. And we have got quite significant accuracies as far as the MLP is concerned. 86% for the testing, and 87% is for the training. Okay, so after getting the erroneous sentence, we give the sentence to the grammar corrector. Grammar corrector is basically based on the skip gram model. So skip gram model, it is all a famous technique. It is a very famous encoding technique where a given word is being paired with the other word vector depending upon their probability. How much probability, how much the word is probable to be there along with the current word xk. So that whole feature vector can be generated using skip gram model, and we have used this skip gram architecture because it has got a very good means sensitive or emotional detection capability. We can say we can extract the information or context through the sentence depending on the probability of the words. So that's why we have used this, and the network has been trained, and the accuracy has been achieved quite good, that is 96.4 as far as the testing is concerned, and training 95.78. So among the erroneous sentences, 96% sentences are correctly identified with the proper error. Okay. For example, this is the first sentence. Daju school Janchin means brother is going to school. Means sister is Daju means masculine. Daju means masculine. Brother is going to school. Okay, the Janchin. This Janchin is going, means it is going. Going means if masculine is there, then Janchan should be there. And if the feminine noun is there, then Janchin should be there. So here mistake is available in two places. Daju means masculine. If masculine noun is there, then masculine verb has to be introduced. But over here, feminine verb is there. So there is an error in the sentence. So our GC means grammar checker has found out the error. If you replace Janchin that last word with the Janchan, that is given highlighted over here in the white background. So the correct sentence would be Daju school Janchan. And other possibility of getting the corrected sentence is if we replace Daju means brother, with the corresponding feminine version, that is sister, Didi. Okay, so the Didi school Janchin. So if you use feminine noun, then the current verb Janchin is okay. So this is how we have identified the problems and overcome the basic problems of the grammar of Nepali. Second sentence is like this: Didi roti khainan. Didi means again sister is not taking bread. Okay, so khainan and there is a mismatch with the Didi means feminine again, and with appropriate post position. The vibhakti means post position is wrong. Okay, so in that case, if you see the white background corrected version, corrected suggestion, correct sentence is Didi le roti khainan. Le is the post position, means there are three letters. Yeah, in the first word there are three letters. There is an introduction of the third letter, that is le. That is called vibhakti, post position. So it has to be there so that the sentence becomes grammatically correct. If you look at one more example, Bahini Pustak Patincha means sister is reading the book. So due to the presence of Patincha, the sentence is in a passive voice, means but the sentence is written in active voice. So there is an error in the voice. So suggestions are correct suggestion is padche instead of the last verb. Verb is Patincha, means studying. Okay, so instead of the Patincha, it has to be padche. Verb has to be changed in this way. Or the second suggestion is Bahini Dwara, means by the sister. In a passive form, by the sister it comes up. So these are the suggestions. And our grammar checker is poorly able to identify this kind of error, where the error is available in the voice. So the conclusion is the experiment is focused on the most prevalent orthography error with the while writing the Nepali. We have categorically addressed a few errors in the sentence. Inappropriate verb with respect to the gender of the subject, karta, missing case marker, vibhakti and post position missing case marker. So it is very successfully identifying, being identified by the grammar checker. And plural form is assigned a singular verb. So again, there is a proper logical mistake, grammatical mistake. So these three things have been addressed through this through this experiment. Okay, so these are the few references. Thank you very much for the patience. If possible, I like to show the render. Okay, so that we have implemented it in this website also. So, but it is in the beta version, so I'm not going to demonstrate it. So that's all from my side.